That's bad. This good. Rotation this way. Wrong. Rotation this way. Rotation, wrong, wrong. Definitely need tires. Rotation, come on, bud. Rotation this way, forward, correct. Good, bad, drilled slotted rotors, race car. I'm gonna take off this wheel so I have a little bit more room, but you can just turn it like this so you have a little bit of room to work with so you can access the fog light from the back. We're gonna do a little switcheroni free of charge. We're not gonna charge them for this. Oh, oops. The sleeve came up. You're bad. That's bad. Taking that sleeve off. We don't need it. Okay. Frontal crisscross swappuccini. There she goes. Release. Solid inner wear. Likely needs an alignment. There she goes. We're gonna write you up for some new tires, which I am not gonna do, but at least they'll be aiming the proper direction. That's nice. I mean, unnecessary. And now you can't resurface your rotors, but it's something. Missing clip. We get all these clips off and we're just gonna roll this back. Missing clip, missing screw, hanging down, missing clip, missing clip. All right, we can fix that up, I suppose. Release, 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 release. Bunch of broken clips. We need a 10mm Milson, and we need a rolly chair. And these are always rusty. Hopefully it comes out. Yep, bracket's spinning, and we're just gonna grab up on this bracket. Keep it in place. Minus 10 points to Honda for this bad 10 milli design. But she did come out, so that's good. Okay, spicy boy. And now she should peel back like a grilled cheese. We got one Phillips screw, and we're gonna remove that. Oh, now she should peel back like a grilled cheese. And we can just flop that over the race car rotor. Now we have access to the back of this fog light. We can disconnect the connector here. New fog light comes with a bulb. Subcompact Jackson. Oh, come on. Come on, McDaniel. Yeah, buddy. A little bit of dirt in my eyeball. One screw down. Baby Koken 1/4 inch with a PH2 adapter. Just worked that for a while and she should get loose. Koken has extremely low back drag. I'm literally just flicking that Phillips with my finger. And there she goes. Might need to angle the dangle a little bit. Come here, Jeffrey. Come here, Jeffrey. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, guess we're removing this bulb. That's a keeper. And out she goes. Beautiful specimen. Garbage. New bulb. Keeping that. Do you fit through this little hole? You do. Gently reinstall ya. We got some dowels on the top left and bottom right. Baby Koken. We're just gonna sneak you right into your home. There she goes. Snug her down. Good fitment. And we need you back. Find it. A little snug down. Minus 10 points to me for breaking the little tab because of this rusty boy. Should have just gripped it right from the beginning, but I had faith. Put this connector in. Okay. A little bit of glass in there. Fully assume that this bulb works, and we're just gonna get her back together. Tucky tuck. How many things are gonna fall on me during this? New clip for you, bud. Another new clip for you. Sneaky boy over here. Missing clip. Installed free of charge. Teeny tiny splash guard. Oh, too big. They're too big. Would you like to fit in there now? You would. Good stuff. Right over here. Okay. We'll be back to this. We're doing an Earl change on her, so we're not going to worry about that too much. This 10 milli is now useless. So we're just going to leave it out. Next time, I want to basically put my needle nose up here and hold that bracket in place to avoid tearing the splash shield, but it's too late for that, McDaniel. New hotness. Slightly old but not busted. New hotness. One more screw. Oh, brother. Could have snugged those down a little bit more, but it's all good. Okay. 82 foot-pounds. Flippy flop. And we'll set you back down. Okay, now we just need to verify the correction. And we're done. Eh? Good. High beams. Good. Got the blinkers. Good to go, bud. No more glass shards coming out. Beautiful. Sim.